Today I'm going to teach you how to use responsive background image custom settings in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to create visually appealing pages that look great on any device by controlling exactly how your background images display and adapt to different screen sizes. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages. From there, select All Pages to view your complete list of pages. Browse through and locate the specific page you want to edit. When you found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor interface where you'll have full control over your page design. Once Elementor loads, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a settings icon. Click on this icon to open the page settings panel. This panel is your gateway to controlling the overall appearance and behavior of your entire page, including background settings that apply across the whole layout. In the left panel that appears, you'll notice several tabs. Navigate to the Style tab, then look for the Background section. This is where you'll configure how your page background appears and behaves. The background settings here are crucial because they determine the visual foundation of your entire page. Look for the option labeled Background Type. From the available choices, select Classic. This option gives you the flexibility to use traditional images as backgrounds with full control over positioning and scaling. The classic background type is ideal for creating professional, polished page designs. Next, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click on this to either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your existing media library. Take your time choosing an image that complements your page content and represents your brand or message effectively. Once you've selected your desired background image, confirm your selection. Now comes an important customization step. Find the position setting for your background image. Set this to center. This ensures that your image stays perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically, regardless of the screen size or device your visitors are using. This positioning creates a balanced, professional appearance that works seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Before you leave the editor, don't forget to click Save Draft at the upper right of the page, right beside the Publish button. This saves all the changes you've made without making the page live if you're still working on it. It's always a good practice to save your work frequently to avoid losing any of your customization efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully configured responsive background image settings in Elementor that will ensure your page looks stunning on any device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.